Now question is giving you x is not equal to 0. Is mod x less than 1? We need to find this, or we can say in other words, we can need to find whether x is between -1 and 1. This is our equation, right? Now, statement 1 says x upon mod x is less than x. As we already know, this is very important function. The name is signum function. The name is not important, but whenever you see this one, either this or this, it is actually a point function. It is giving you only two answers, either 1 or -1, no other values. When x is positive, the answer will be 1. X is negative, the answer will be -1. For x equal to 0, this is not defined. So already they have given x is not equal to 0. They have given this. Right? Now we have to make two cases. If x is positive, now this is giving you, in place of this fraction you can write 1. If x is greater than 0, we can say x is more than 1. Correct. Now, if x is less than 0, this fraction will be -1. So you are getting this. X is more than -1. Also, we know x is less than 0, so you have to write like this. So, from the statement 1, we can say, let us say it is 0, -1, and 1. From the statement 1, we can say either x is more than 1 or between -1 and 0. So, we cannot answer whether x is in this range or not, because if x is in this range, answer is no. If x is in this range, answer is yes. That's why statement 1 alone is not sufficient. If you see the statement 2, mod x is greater than x. What do you mean by that? It is giving you simply that x is non. What do you mean by that? See, when mod x is greater than x, this is only possible when x is negative. Remember this. See, these three things you have to remember. If mod x is equal to x, what can we say? Can we say x is greater than 0? No. When mod x is equal to x, we can say x is greater than or equal to 0, right? If mod x is equal to minus x, can we say x is negative? No. In that case, we can say x is less than or equal to 0. But in this case, we can say, we have to say x is negative only, right? So from the statement 2, x is negative. Now, x can be minus 0.5 also and minus 5 also. If minus 5, answer is no. Minus 0.5, answer is yes. So statement 2 alone is also not sufficient. Now, if you combine both the statement, from the statement 2, x is less than 0. From the statement 1, x is this yellow portion. So if you combine, x is this only, overlap. So we can say from statement 1 and 2, we can say x is between 0 and -1. Now, we have proved that x is between -1 and 0. Can we say x is between -1 and 1? Yes, right? Because if any number between -1 and 0 has to be between -1 and 1. Or in other words, we can say mod x is less than 1 only. That's why after combining, we can answer this, and C is the right answer for this.